Hey everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here to show you how to pair your Beats Studio Buds Plus with your phone. The first thing you'll do is just open the case. You'll see that light begins to flash, which means they're in pairing mode. If that light isn't flashing, you can hit the button in the center of the earbuds and hold it down for a couple seconds until the light starts flashing. Then, if you have an iPhone, you can hold them near the phone and you should get a little pop-up menu to connect to them. If not, you can also hit the Beats Studio Buds Plus icon in your Bluetooth menu to actually connect to them. Once you're connected to the earbuds, if you want to adjust the transparency mode, noise cancellation, or change the name of the earbuds, or even forget the device, you can hit the little I next to the Bluetooth settings and it'll show you all the options for changing the settings. Look at that, we just got our menu popping up. It's a little late there, bud. If you want to sell the earbuds or give them to someone else so that they can use them while your phone is near them, but you don't want them to auto-connect to your phone when you pull them out of the case, you can forget the device, and then that will just allow them to be able to connect to another device. If they are connected to your phone already and you just want to turn them on for pairing again, you just hold that button down in the middle until the light starts to flash, and then they'll be able to pair with any other device. And as you can see, the connection stopped on this phone. If we wanted to, we could forget the device, and now if you take the earbuds out, they're not going to auto pair to the device any longer. And just like that, our menu popped up. Once again, a little late, but if you have an iPhone, you can also use that menu to quick connect to them. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.
If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.